Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Well, it's about some minutes to 10 right now. I'm doing some stock take on laundry because you have to fill out all the laundry forms so they know what exactly is in your laundry. Then I'll toss them into the bin and we can start the day off. Today is pretty gloomy right now, so I don't know. I don't think water sports is going to be much of an activity, but like I said in the videos before, it is now in the hurricane season, so might not always have bright and sunny skies. Alright guys, so room service just came to the room just now and did the whole laundry pickup, you know, cleaned whatever, you guys get the idea. Just put in an order for breakfast, so breakfast is coming, and of course we ordered a barrage of stuff. I want to try everything to see how well you know, these dishes actually come out. For those who don't know, I do have another channel called Soai Eats. I do have a recent upload where I made egg McMuffin breakfast sandwich. If you guys want to see more cooking videos, go over to Soai Eats. You'll see a lot of cooking videos. I'll be working on challenges, stuff like that, whenever I'm not at a hotel or, you know, traveling. So I hope you guys go over there, give it a subscribe, you know, show some support. I definitely appreciate that. Yeah, looking outside right now, definitely windy. I do not want to leave the room, but as soon as we get breakfast, we can see, you know, what else we're going to be doing for the rest of the day. Hello?
Good morning.
Morning.
Can I get the breakfast? Need your percussion?
Yeah. Alright, so we got a whole bunch of stuff for breakfast. The only thing that's missing is fried dumpling, which I'm kind of sad about. But yeah, we got fritters instead. So we have some pancakes here. So I'm gonna try everything. I'll tell you guys what I think about the entire breakfast. And alright, so we have a pretty nice breakfast here. I've tried this muffin thing that Judah got from her to the breakfast thing. It was pretty good. It's like a cornbread muffin. It was pretty good. Again, if you guys want to see, you know, really good breakfast, you want to learn to cook some of these stuff, definitely check over on Soai Eats to see what's popping over there. This fritters here looks really good. I think I want to try that first. Seeing that I didn't get any dumplings, so let's see if this can, you know. Oh, whoa. Very Jamaican cooking there. It's nice. This is very arguably one of the top fritters that I've ever had. Well done.
What kind of fritters is it?
Saltfish.
Oh.
Want to try fish? Busting, bro. No, man. Want to say more? A couple more.
Try to eat up first.
Big up on yourself. It's really good, man. Bro.
Yeah.
It's a granny back there, bust it, you know. My mama tell. Nice. Alright guys, so we just got done with breakfast, and let me tell you, yo, the Jamaican breakfast was just off the chain. It was really, really good. What did I get? I first ordered the fried dumplings. Those never came because they were done. We ordered breakfast at 10 o'clock. Breakfast is closed at 11. However, I did get some salted, what do you call it again? Saltfish fritters, yeah. I got some saltfish fritters and that was just, yo, it was so good. I went back to the restaurant after 11. They said they only had one and I got that one. What I really loved about it was that the steam or raw veg, it was a mixture of kalu and cabbage and all the other Jamaican herbs and stuff. And that was really good. You could distinctly realize that there was some form of hotel flair, but it really stuck to what you expect to be the traditional Jamaican way of doing stuff. I dubbed it as saying that there is an old Jamaican woman back there cooking it the real traditional way. It's that good. But anyway, the other stuff you guys might want to know about the continental breakfast. Of course, I'm not American, so I don't really know much about that. I've had them before, but I won't say they are like fantastic. They were worth it, of course. As I said, at any all-inclusive restaurant, you're definitely going to find things mass-produced, so you're going to expect the quality to be a little bit less, but it was good nonetheless. Anyway, we are going to head out right now to the gift shop to get some stuff for Judah because she is not feeling so well, and I'll catch you guys when we get there. All right, so we are in the parking lot right now. It's cramped. There's not really much of a parking space here. I remember someone did ask me at my last stop if there is good parking space. So yeah, if you are renting a car, that might be something to consider, but it's workable. Don't worry about it. If you're taking a tour bus, then this should not even really concern you. Alright guys, so now we are in the supermarket trying to get something really quick. This is the Progressive supermarket in Baee. I find this chain supermarket to be very well stocked. Usually the stuff that you need is generally going to be here. In Jamaica, when we say it's an uptown supermarket, we normally mean it's a little bit more upscale. So some of the less common stuff, maybe like quail eggs and stuff, you'll find it here. In the conventional supermarket, you may not find that. I know some persons always want to know the prices of stuff. For example, Head and Shoulders is a popular brand in the US. This is for $922. That's somewhere around $7. I think. No, yeah, about $7. In the US is about $5, $6, I think. Depends. No, that's a lie. This in the US is about $6 for this one. This here is like $12, $11, I think. So we just got our laundry just now and everything smells great. Of course the weather outside is still not the best, but hey, we're in Jamaica, beautiful hotel, and it's just a whole vibe here, man.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud.
Alright guys, so you might notice it's pretty windy out here. Yeah, most water sports or all those cool stuff that you might be interested in doing might not be available at this point in time. But regardless, rainy weather is sleepy weather, right? The next step that we're going to take right now is to order some food. Judah wants to order in, so that's fine by me. For her, it's really cold. For me, it's nice. It's a nice warm breeze. But anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you do appreciate videos like these and you do want to see more content like these on other hotels or food or travel all across the island, feel free to drop a like on the video and drop a comment and tell me where you want to see me go. Also, if you like to see cooking videos like I normally do, I have a couple videos that I will be uploading over on Soai Eats. I'll put the link in the description box and I'll drop it in the comments as well, so you guys can go over there and check it out and also subscribe. I'll be doing food challenges, cooking, whatever the case is, all the fun stuff. Anyway guys, I appreciate things, love, nature, and adaptation, and always remember